we're going to learn how to play an Aguinaldo. We're going to be in the key of D minor. And we're going to use D minor. We're going to go to F. We're going to go to G minor. And then we're going to end in A7. Once again, we have D minor. We have F. We have G minor. And then A7. For the rhythm, we're going to be doing a bass and two chords. So we're going to do bass, two chords. So it's going to be, we have D minor here, we have bass, chord, chord. We're going to go to F, then G minor. Let's try that one more time. We're in A7. Let's start off in D minor. So we have D minor, G minor, A7. One more time. D, F, G minor, A7. Let's add a little bit of bass to it. So we have D minor. Let's do a little bass here. And we're going to add a mid note right here. To go to G, we're adding this F sharp. So we're doing F. And for A7, we're going to hit B flat right here. Let's try that one more time. D minor. We're doing G, then G flat, and then we're going to end up right here in F, right? So we're doing. Let's try that one more time. Slow motion. Okay, for this exercise, all you're going to do is you're going to practice the chords first. You're going to start off with the chords. After you have the chords, you can practice the rhythm. Give it some rhythm. All right, you go.